Welcome to a trade recap video of my trading from August the 2nd. So I went live, but I had my settings incorrect. So it was the live video was set to private. So I wasn't able to go live where people can see it. So I'm doing this recap just to kind of go over what happened in the day. Also, I had audio issues. So my recording it didn't capture any of me actually speaking into the mic, explaining the trades, going over what's happening, and it ended up being a pretty good Friday. So here we're gonna just recap what happened. So broke this down into a couple parts, but what I did was I created two bots. One bot, we'll call it the iBot. This looks for like quick breakout trades, and then the other one we'll call the MacBot. The MacBot more so looks for longer trades. I've been tweaking the MacBot so it has a trailing stop on it. The iBot does not have a trailing stop, so that's something I might tweak over the weekend. I just didn't want to tweak it live while the market was open, and the bots were actively trading. Now with these bots, these are bots that I created using Ninjatrader Strategy Builder. These aren't off-the-shelf bots. I didn't buy them or anything. I was able to put these together just off the last couple of years watching different YouTube videos. They aren't perfect by any means. They're, for what I can see so far, not profitable. I am allowing them to trade just to see how they do. So with that being said, you will see that the MacBot will take more trades than the iBot. The iBot, even though it's looking for quick breakout and quick burst, certain parameters cause it to not take as many trades. So today the MacBot took 5 trades. It went 2 for 5. It ended the day up $980. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward, risk 500 with a trailing stop to make 1,000. The iBot went 1 for 2. It's also a 2-to-1 risk to reward, risk 500 to make 1,000. The iBot finished today 1 for 2, up $505. So those are the results of the day. And then now in this video, you're going to see that to the bottom right corner, I will have to adjust my screen going into Monday, so you can see more of that bottom right. You can see more of that bottom right chart that I have. That's the 1-minute chart, and that's where the trades for the MacBot were showing up. So you will see those towards the bottom. You'll also see at one point in the video, the MacBot was up $1,700, and I said this on the live that nobody heard. At that point, I would have called it a day. It was in the first 25 minutes of the market being open. The MacBot took those trades and was up $1,700. So that was a sign I would have walked away. I did allow it to trade a little bit more. We had news at 10 a.m. So after 10 a.m., I turned the bots off at about 9:56 or so. I turned it back on right around 10:05. So I did turn those bots off right around 9:56 a.m. I turned them back on around 10:05 a.m. I believe after that, both bots might have took 1 trade apiece. Then I kind of call it a day. Fridays, I like to end my days earlier rather than later. I kind of took this from when I used to sell insurance. It was fully commissioned, and we had someone tell us that, towards the end of the week, you kind of bypass all your rules just to get a sale on the books if you don't have a sale. And I kind of look at trading that same way. The longer you go into Friday, the more willing you are to overlook your rules and kind of force a trade just to kind of put them up on the board. So to avoid that, I try to kind of end my Fridays early and just kind of get on with the rest of my day. So I did, this was a pretty short stream. It was just under an hour long. Bots took about 7 total trades. It was Friday, so what I'm thinking about doing is allowing these bots to trade just a little bit more, especially I probably let them trade on Fridays. Might even let them trade on Mondays. I don't know. I haven't thought about it really. But that way, coming out of the weekend, I'm not overly anxious, overly excited to trade and kind of jump the gun to set myself back for the week. And then on Friday, I'm not too tired and drained where the bots will actually take those trades. So that's kind of how I'm thinking about it. Not confirmed, not locked in yet, but I do want to see how the bots do just over the course of time. See if they get better, see if they get worse, kind of see how it stands. With the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, they don't have to be perfect. As you see today, one went 1 for 2, that kept it green on the day. The other one went 2 for 5, that kept it green on the day. So definitely some good risk reward parameters that we have set with it. But this is going to be a quick about 10-minute or so recap video. Hope you like it. Hit the like button, subscribe so you can be notified when I go live or when I drop videos. So thanks for watching. Enjoy.